Hello guys, welcome to our video tutorial. Today our topic is all about gas and vapor power cycle. Here is our sample problem. A car engine burns 5 kg fuel at 1500 Kelvin and rejects energy to the radiator and the exhaust at an average temperature of 750 Kelvin. If the fuel provides for 40,000 kilojoules per kilogram, what is the maximum amount of work the engine can provide? So, in order to calculate the work, we will use the formula efficiency times the QH. First, we need to find the QH. So, QH is equal to mass times the Q of fuel. So, 5 kg times 440,000 kilojoules per kilogram. So we have our QH is equal to 200,000 kilojoules. Second, we need to find the efficiency. So here is our formula. We will input the values 1 minus the temperature, the low temperature over the high temperature. So our efficiency is equal to 0.5. Now we can calculate for the maximum work of the engine can provide. So work is equal to efficiency times the QH. So 0.5 times 200,000 kilojoule, and we have our final answer here, 100,000 kilojoules.